A buffer can be created using large concentrations of a weak acid or base and its conjugate. So for example, if we have a solution of acetic acid, well, we can place its conjugate in the solution in the form of a salt, being sodium acetate. And this salt's highly soluble in an aqueous solution, so it will dissociate into the following ions. And therefore you have acetic acid and its conjugate base being the acetate anion in the solution without neutralizing each other. Now if we are to place an acid in the solution, then the conjugate base would react with that acid to neutralize it by increasing the concentration of acetic acid in the solution. And conversely, if a strong base is added to the solution, then acetic acid would neutralize that strong base and thereby create more of the conjugate base. And these reactions are responsible for the capability of the buffer to stabilize its pH.